The Confined Space Entry Training, CSE training by Dräger, is mobile in the truest sense of the word. The training facility is quickly set up and ready for use, whether this is at Dräger as open training or on your premises for highly specialized training support. The facility can be used for different scenarios and professions, such as supervisors or tank cleaners, while refresher training is also possible. The theoretical part clarifies the statutory requirements, identifies examples of accidents and shows how they are avoided. The trainers are the key to every Dräger training course. Every participant, every company has different training requirements. This also means that the trainer has to find out what the company does in advance. We have to identify whether we are operating in the wastewater sector or in mining or the fire brigade so that we can cater for all the customer requirements and interests. The scenario: a colleague collapses in a sewer or a narrow shaft. What is the first thing to do? How do you get the colleague out? What should you avoid and what is absolutely necessary? One thing is clear: the practical section must not be neglected in CSE training. The focus is on safely passing through the facility, and the highlight involves the rescue of a heavy dummy. At the end of a Dräger CSE training course, you'll have the confidence of knowing what to do in an emergency. This is a case where you can apply what you have learned and you can see where the physical demands lie, especially when using a dummy for training. It is certainly very tough. This training identifies scenarios that we do not personally want to be faced with, but we are trained to deal with these situations in case of emergency, so that we can respond accordingly if one should ever arise.